of Taxil. In this lecture, we learn PMT function. The definition of PMT. PMT, one of the financial functions, calculate payment for a loan based on constant payments and a constant interest rate. This function consists of arguments which are the first is rate. Rate is the interest rate per period. Normally, rate is expressed as annual percentage, APR. So you may have to divide APR by 12 to get monthly rate. N par is the total number of payments. PV is the total loan amount. F, V, and type are optional arguments. For example, if we have this example, car loans payment, we can insert values and we can see how this function works. Open our previous Microsoft Excel. This is our previous Microsoft Excel which we implement in 2 previous lectures. And here we can insert new Excel sheet, insert work, Excel sheet, and here we can write loan amount in the first row. In the second row, annual rate. In the third, number of years. In the third row, number of payment. And also here down we can write monthly payment between 2 parentheses PMT, which is the fundamental implementation of our today lecture. Here is the total cost, and last is total interest. Now we can, like previous lectures, we can coordinate our sheet by maximizing the columns. Maximize the 2 columns here, and here we can put the values for the first 4 variables. Here loan amount, for example, 20,000. This is amount of car, and annual rate 5%. Number of years 10. Number of payment equal number of years, which is B3 multiplied by 12. Now we can calculate, insert our function. These are the values, and here we generate the results according to the PMT formula and according to total cost formula and according to total interest formula. Insert fx from the top, insert function, and here write PMT and select PMT. Okay, now we can insert our 5 arguments. We insert only 3 arguments because the last 2 ones are optional and we are not need them. Here the rate is the annual rate divided by 12. Annual rate is B2 divided by 12. Annual rate divided by 12. We number of payment. Number of payment is B4. B4. Number of payment B4. And last is loan amount, which is B2. B1. B1. And click OK. Now we calculate the PMT. We must put here sign, minus sign or negative sign. Okay. Now we move to total cost formula. Total cost formula equal PMT multiplied by number of payment. Total cost is PMT is B7 multiplied by number of payment is B4. We get the total cost. Now we move to the last, total interest. Here, total interest, the formula of total interest, total interest equal total cost, which is B8, minus loan amount. Loan amount is B1. Here, now we are finished our calculations. These our values and these our results. We can coordinate our sheet. Here we can insert new row, insert sheet row, and here we can give a title for arguments, values, or results. And also, like previous lecture, we can make it bold, 16, background green, text color white, center, and here also we can coordinate our values, bold, 14, and make the values center, and give the results different color, different text color, for example red. And also we can insert another new row for the title of our example. Insert sheet row and maximize the row. Like previous lectures, we can insert rectangle to write the title. Here, edit text, car, learns, payment, and also we can coordinate the text, home, bold, 18, center, bold, text color white. The benefit of these implementations, surely business student can most benefitly from this implementation because it is relevant to their studies. Here, if this is a loan amount of the car, here total interest represent the amount or the money that you can save if you pay cash. For example, if I pay cash, I offer or save $5,000. Now we can make a copy for this sheet. Highlight all the rows, right click, copy, new sheet, paste, and now we can give another example. Coordinate, move to the middle, to the center, and here coordinate the columns, coordinate, and instead of car we can say house, loans, payment, and surely the price of or the loan of the house, it is greater than the car. $40,000. 40,000, and here we see the values are changed. And here, for example, if we change the number of years, also the total interest changed, increased. If we increase the number of years, the total interest can be increased. For example, 3 years, it will increase. This is, if we return to our book, we can see here some explanation for explaining for the payment function and understanding payment function arguments, which we explain. And here, how to calculate monthly payment, we already practice on. Thank you very